Hello everybody, this is Dr. Sudhakar Arya. Welcome to my channel Sudhakar Arya. Today we are going to tell you some tricks of Excel sheet. The first trick which we are going to tell you is, let us see this cell. It has got a mobile number with a prefixed 91. We have all these numbers. These are all mobile numbers with 91 as prefix. So how do we extract the mobile number and remove 91? It seems very difficult. No, not at all. It is so easy. Click on this cell B1. Now here we are going to write is equal to. Then we are going to write RIGHT in small, or even you can make it a capital. Now we have a bracket. After the bracket, this number is in A1. So here we write A1 followed by a comma. Now this is a 12-digit number and we want to extract these 10 digits of the 12 digits. So here we are going to write number 10 and then close the bracket. See, is equal to, then write, then bracket, then A1, then comma, then 10, then bracket close. After writing this, let us touch the keyboard and click on the enter. As soon as we enter, something magical happens here. Look at here. We are pressing enter. Wow, wonderful. We have removed 91 from the 12 digits mobile number and we have extracted the mobile number. Now let us see this particular column with this particular cell. We again write is equal to, then we write RIGHT followed by bracket. Now this is A2. So here we write A2 followed by comma, and then we have to extract 10 digits. We have written 10 followed by the bracket. Now once again we go to the keyboard and press enter. Wow, such a magic. We have removed 91 in fraction of seconds. Now we have to remove all the numbers in all this particular A1 column, so it is going to be a very tedious process if we do it individually. No, we are not going to do that. So trick number 2, we want to make 91 removed from all the mobile numbers at one go. So see, we have clicked on this cell and on the right side we have a small green square. Now with the mouse we have to approach this green square with this plus. Now click on the left side of the mouse and then slowly drag it down till the numbers you want to make it 91 free. Now remove the left button of the mouse and see, wow, you have done it in less than a minute. So this is trick number 1 and trick number 2 today from the Excel by Sudhakar Arya. Bye again. Next time we come up with some different formulas and different tricks. Keep watching, and if you like my channel, please do subscribe and do click on the like button, and if you really like it, then please do share. Thanks for watching. Sudhakar Arya. Bye.